small river going on over here. Wow. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After I explore Mount William, I'm driving towards Lake Isabel. It is approximately 11 km distance. Due to the mountain road, it took 30 minutes to reach over there. As usual, along the way, the scenic view was fantastic, as you can see. Grass. Maybe we can go and check it out over there. Like a small hike. You have a cross. I couldn't believe it. They closed over here, the gate. Wow. It's beautiful. Lake Isabella Hotel Resort Events. Wow. Parking area? Yeah. Okay. Looks quite nice place. I never even know about it. Wow, you have a zip line also. There. You have a zip line. Looks like a reception. You have a key code to go inside. Hello, Paul. I just saw the place in the map, so I just wanted came here to explore this place. Can I make a vlog? No problem.
Yes, po. But not allowed in hotel rooms.
How about this cycling to the zip line? What is it?
Rent sir.
Now under maintenance, so nobody gonna use it. Any other activity over here? Okay.
Pedal boat is 200 pesos. Like 100 pesos.
So this place have Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So here, rooms are 5,000 pesos per weekday. In weekend, it's going to be like a 7,000 pesos. Good for 4 people. Look at this. Right now, this one under maintenance. Anyway, we'll go and check it out. The deck. Check out the deck. Wow. Too bad it is under maintenance right now. Look at it. Wow. There's a boat nearby. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. As you can see over there, every villa have a water access. You have a balcony, you have a specific water access. That's a good thing actually. Looks so beautiful. Totally they have a 28 suites available. Let's go to the center bridge. Nice. It's very steady. Seriously steady. Steady. Looks like here in the evening you can put a bonfire and you can circle, sit down over here, and the night will be nicer. Let's go to the restaurant. How it looks like. Beautiful. I don't know what's next over there. We try one by one. It's pretty big. Minimum 100 people can sit down over here. Hi, how are you?
Do I need or not?
I will come back later. First,
Okay.
I'll take a video first.
Sure.
Then I'll come back later over here.
Okay.
Right now it's only 12:30. You guys open lunch until 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since a lot of people over here, we'll come back later for the restaurant. We'll go check the other place now. It'll be nicer. Oh, that's a koi. That's a koi fish over here. It's fun. Woohoo. That's nice. Look at this, awesome. Hello, Bo. Here, you put. Come here. Come try. Fish food. Slowly, yeah. Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Here. Yeah, I'm a blogger. You want the card? That's nice. Okay. They are very friendly. It's really better. You have outer table for 6 people. You can enjoy your evening with a small pond over here, and you have a nice view in the evening. It's going to be fantastic. Very brilliantly structured. Really nice. See, very good maintenance. The grass will be nice green. Wow. You have a small entertainment park for the kids, and you have a view deck to take a rest. You have a swing. That is also good. Seriously, well thought and built this area. I don't know why in the internet there is not enough information about this place. Let's check out the restroom. This is the restroom, boys. Okay. There's a showering area. Look at that. Pretty nice. Wow. Very, very clean. Look at that. Very clean. I was surprised. It's very clean. Let's see. What is coming? Good. I don't want to go to the ladies' room. Good. Basketball gun court. Either way, it's only for. Wow, there's a swimming pool. For the kids, for adults. Seriously nice. Look at that. No diving, no running, no food, no glass, no rough playing. Watch your children. Wow. Looks like actually two segments. Beautiful. Still the work is going on over there. You can see a lot of people working still. Closest you can get. Seriously nice. Wow. Yes, jacuzzi also. Look at that. That's going to be like a water massage. Nice. Look at that. If you take the zipline tricycle, it is supposed to come over here. I love bridges. Seriously. Nice landmark. They have a separate transform over there for the hotel. It's good. It's a beautiful location. 5,000 pesos per day for the weekdays. I can say it is worth it. It's a calm, quiet place. Probably you'll love it. Here also you have koi fish. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. Looks like a door. Maybe some kind of desk. Nobody here. Maybe went for lunch. Nice sitting place for the kids' playground. Nice. Looks so beautiful also. Very breezy over here right now. What says? No shoes allowed. So can I jump over there? No shoes allowed. Sitting, lying down is allowed. It's good. No shoes. So I can't go there. You want me to go there? I'm sorry. Let's see. What else there? Oh, everywhere they do maintaining. Still they're building over here. That's why you will have an uncompleted place. Either way, it's nice. Pretty steep. Okay. Wow. It's very well built. Nice. Pretty solid. Can feel very solid and very nice. Wow. Let's try the other places. Few more places, then we can fly the drone. Check out it. It's quite good, this place. Wow, you have a small horse over here, like a pony. So great treat. Probably in the night it will be nicer with the lighting. I can see a couple of lighting over there, the trees. It'll be better in the night time. Yeah, that is mine. This cookie is 75 pesos per piece. Looks delicious over there. Very peaceful. Here very air conditioned. I ordered some pepperoni pizza. It's only 300 pesos and Coca-Cola. Cheers. First bite. Try some chili sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.